Welcome to the Wealth Echelon, your ultimate destination for mastering personal finance, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner looking to budget smarter, an aspiring investor exploring the stock market, or someone seeking practical strategies for debt reduction, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. Expect expert tips, proven strategies, and real-world examples to help you take control of your money and unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial mastery, one smart decision at a time. 10 money secrets. Rich people won't tell you, but you need to know. We often look at the rich and wonder how they got to where they are. While some may inherit wealth, most self-made millionaires follow a set of principles that they don't openly discuss. These secrets, if understood and applied, can transform your financial future. In this script, we'll uncover 10 crucial money secrets that wealthy people rarely talk about but are essential for financial success. 1. Money is a game. Learn the rules. Rich people see money as a game where knowing the rules increases the chances of winning. They understand concepts like leverage, risk, compound interest, and financial strategies that allow them to grow wealth exponentially. The difference between the rich and the poor is not just in earnings, but in how they manage, invest, and multiply their money. The wealthy also focus on financial education, always learning and adapting to economic changes. If you want to achieve financial success, start treating money as a game and learn its rules through books, mentors, and experience. Invest time in financial literacy courses, read books on wealth building, and actively apply what you learn to make informed financial decisions. 2. Multiple income streams are non-negotiable. The wealthy never rely on a single income source. They have multiple streams, businesses, investments, real estate, stocks, and other assets that generate money continuously. This strategy ensures financial stability and minimizes risks. If one income stream fails, others keep flowing. This approach also allows them to weather economic downturns without drastic lifestyle changes. To build wealth, start by creating additional sources of income, even if it's a side hustle, freelancing, or passive investments like dividend stocks or rental properties. Many wealthy individuals own small businesses, invest in startups, or earn royalties from intellectual properties such as books, patents, or licensing deals. The key is to find income-generating activities that align with your skills and interests. 3. Debt is a tool, not a trap. Rich people don't fear debt. They use it strategically. They differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like real estate investments or business loans, helps generate income. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit card loans, drains wealth. The key is using borrowed money to invest in appreciating assets while avoiding liabilities that don't generate returns. They also negotiate lower interest rates and use leverage to scale their investments. Learning how to manage and use debt wisely can make the difference between financial success and struggle. A practical approach is to use low-interest loans to finance projects that will provide high returns while keeping consumer debt to a minimum. 4. Your network determines your net worth. The wealthy surround themselves with like-minded, successful individuals who inspire and challenge them. They understand the power of networking and strategic relationships. The right connections open doors to opportunities, investments, and collaborations that accelerate financial growth. Networking also allows access to valuable knowledge, mentorship, and insider opportunities not available to the general public. If you want to grow wealth, invest in building a strong, valuable network by attending industry events, joining business groups, and engaging with successful people. High-value networks often lead to new partnerships, investment tips, and lucrative business deals. Make an effort to offer value to your network rather than just seeking opportunities for yourself. 5. Time is more valuable than money. Rich people understand that time is the most limited resource. They outsource, delegate, and automate tasks that don't contribute to their financial growth. Instead of trading time for money, they invest in assets and systems that generate passive income. They also prioritize high-impact activities, such as strategic investments, business growth, and self-improvement. If you want financial freedom, Shift your focus from working for money to making money work for you by investing in scalable ventures and automating income streams. The ability to create passive income sources, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, and digital products, ensures that money keeps flowing in without constant effort. Time management tools and delegation strategies help maximize productivity. 6. Investing early and consistently is the key. Wealthy individuals start investing as early as possible and remain consistent. They understand the power of compound interest, where money grows exponentially over time. Instead of chasing quick profits, they focus on long-term investments in stocks, real estate, and businesses. They also diversify their portfolios to minimize risks. Even small investments today can turn into massive wealth over decades. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Make investing a priority and develop a disciplined approach to financial growth. Start by setting aside a percentage of your income every month for investments and taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like retirement funds or index funds that yield long-term returns. 7. Live below your means, even when you're rich. Contrary to popular belief, most wealthy individuals don't splurge on luxury items. Many live below their means, reinvesting their earnings instead of spending recklessly. They understand that wealth accumulation comes from financial discipline. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Many millionaires drive modest cars, live in average homes, and prioritize investing over material possessions. The goal is financial freedom, not an extravagant lifestyle that drains wealth. Adopting a frugal mindset allows more capital to be directed toward wealth-building activities. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, still lives in the same house he bought decades ago, proving that financial discipline trumps flashy spending. 8. Tax planning is a wealth strategy. Wealthy individuals are meticulous about tax planning. They understand that taxes can be one of the largest expenses in life, so they work proactively with financial advisors to minimize their tax burden legally. Strategies include investing in tax-advantaged retirement accounts, structuring businesses in tax-efficient ways, utilizing deductions, and leveraging real estate depreciation. They also take advantage of tax deferral options and estate planning to ensure their wealth is preserved for future generations. Understanding tax laws can make a significant difference in wealth accumulation. If you're serious about financial success, learn how to legally optimize your taxes through smart investments and financial structuring. 9. Emotional control is a financial skill. Emotional intelligence is one of the most underrated financial skills. The rich don't allow emotions like fear, greed, or impatience to dictate their financial decisions. They remain rational and strategic, especially in volatile markets. Emotional control means not panic selling during downturns, not jumping into investments driven by hype, and not overspending to impress others. They make financial decisions based on logic, research, and long-term thinking rather than short-term impulses. Learning to detach emotions from money, staying calm under pressure, and making disciplined financial choices can be the difference between building wealth and losing it. Mastering emotional control also helps in negotiating better deals, staying resilient during financial setbacks, and maintaining focus on long-term financial goals. 10. Giving is part of wealth building. Many wealthy individuals practice generosity not just out of goodwill, but because giving contributes to long-term success. Philanthropy builds strong communities, creates goodwill, and opens doors to new relationships and opportunities. Giving can take various forms: donating to charities, funding scholarships, mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs, or supporting community projects. Beyond moral fulfillment, generosity often leads to unexpected returns, such as business partnerships, influence, and goodwill. Wealthy individuals also understand that giving activates an abundance mindset rather than a scarcity mindset, reinforcing a cycle of prosperity. They strategically incorporate philanthropy into their financial plans, knowing that generosity has a profound impact not just on society, but also on their own wealth-building journey. These 10 money secrets are not exclusive to the rich. They are principles that anyone can adopt. By shifting your mindset, taking strategic action, and continuously learning, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Wealth is not about luck. It's about knowledge, discipline, and smart decision-making. Apply these secrets and you'll start seeing a transformation in your financial journey. By focusing on financial literacy, strategic investing, emotional control, and building multiple income streams, you can create a prosperous future for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more wealth-building insights. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates.